Superintendent ki pulet ke Iskasi Hills uba Vivek Syiem ulu Pynthikna baga Pyniap balalap hagani kesni kadai jung Heprit Kyrshanbor Kharmudai belaja nak kesnong nongra lomerbo. Superintendent ki pulet ule thu ba kumbapet ya kejung toket ke sedang la itu bauni Heprit ule Shah Pyniap bala subabe kemet jung lawan banbu hagani kejaka. Laban kedua ni bu Heprit Kyrshanbor Kharmudai nyus nam kerta ubre nak kesnong nongra mau belaja na layeng hakaprat rek urisau hakapor kumbasau beje ai. Kat kum gejing itu jing kong trillion Kharmudai ibedai ikmena jong nu Heprit ilong bahag kapor lai beje ai kidang iu udang lek kaya pelau yeng ndrei habalapoi kapor sau beje ai kala khod yu bandi Shah ndrei shim lathia bat shim lalap shu yu hadin bikilalap bulaja kelap nong kejing wat bat pentip skibor shnok konongra bat aba lawat pro shimiet ru shim lalap satya de tat adu ke step juga ndai tri urisau belalap ya kamet basa jong Heprit narut surok kesnong maupat lom rumnong. Habakran baru ba Vivek Syiem letho ba mar ya yo jing tep ya kane lawan chikane ke jaka bat le ke jing toket bat kumbang pau hi kidak kishen kapau bonu Heprit ula Shah Pyniap. Ya kamet la rano shane Grims Hospital ban le ke postmortem ban tep ke daw ba Shah Pyniap jong nu Heprit. Ula ban rap bagade ke ke basngokya halor kini ke jingja basngsi bat kum kini ke jingja dei ban yo jing hikai namar kumigi khlung hi dei ban dan ke jing shimkya ban khampet bahayaki. Di macam kia bandan da ki kamera CCTV yang keleng jaka bagi kena ru ki jela kai bagi brio ki basa marjan ru ki di bandong ki bapet ngor habi i ki kelung red bagi let ki wan marway habakran bu orang ba asnong ba Dennis lenra ulong ba kane kadai ki jingja basngokya bat loong bala pha ki jing snolem ki yang gasam bat kum kasnong hadien ki jingja ini Heprit in sapira leng dok mau nairu akasnong kala kentui kinong snong bagi di banbu ki CCTV bat ki light ban penchai ki surok bat kum kasnong kala penmi ki kendon thamai ban perkengi ki snong ki thau
CSU FSL from Nongmonsong Maudiang Yang SP's office special cell all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points toward being a murder?
Yes, I said
assault and also physical injuries.
All indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see this? Is it a coincidence that two missing case now would found to be dead? Is it a coincidence or whether anything?
Right now I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view that this incident has created concerns among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents, we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child who actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question: during your primary education, was the murder committed here only? What the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only.